All right, let me introduce you to the digital appointment booking and record management system. This is a system that you can use to manage your experts. Your experts can be doctors, they can be counselors, and you can use it for managing appointment booking for any kind of expert and managing the appointment itself and what have you. So first and foremost, you get a very beautiful landing page such as this, where you get to showcase what you do, what you have, and the system allows you to design this your the front CMS yourself, as you can see, and you have different services. You can use the system to render different kind of services and what have you. So let me just show you what's it has a powerful admin, appointment calendar, patient visit management, and so on and so forth. So I would be showing you some of the features that you can see as an admin and as a doctor. So bear in mind, doctors can be experts and counselors. It's just a unified name we use for experts. So the admin, you can manage staffs, you can manage your doctors, manage patients, manage appointments, visits, services, and so on and so forth. It even has a Google Calendar integration for your doctors to schedule their timing and so on and so forth. You could do a whole lot of things. So you can go through this proposal when you receive it, and right now, I would be taking you through a short demo of the admin view. So let me log in as an admin so you see what I'm talking about. So logging in as an admin, you enter the email and password so you can see what the admin backend looks like. So this is an admin. You can see the total number of experts, also called doctors, that you have on the system at the moment. You can see the total patients, or what you also call clients. You can see the total appointment for today, total registered. So on the dashboard, you can also see the recent patient registrations. That's patients that registered recently, and you can see your earnings on the system. So on the menu, you could see where you can manage your staff. You can actually add staffs to help you manage the system, and these staffs you can define roles for them. So this is where you manage your doctors. Now this is a very important, one of the most interesting part of the system. As you can see from your doctors, you can see your doctors schedules. You can see the availability of your doctors here. So doctors get to set their own time based on your business time. So you, as a business, you would have configured the timing that you want to be available. Then within that time frame, your doctors can also define their time, and you can actually view the timing that each of your doctors have defined for themselves. So for example, this Dr. Olawale Olojo, you can see that this is the schedule that the doctor has given herself. So this doctor is available on Tuesday, 12 a.m. to 11:45 p.m. Not available on Wednesday, and so on and so forth. And you could actually edit the schedules of your doctor from the back end. So you could see the full details of every doctor. So for example, this doctor now, I could see the total appointments that this doctor has gotten. I could see the total appointment today. I could see the total upcoming appointment for this doctor. So I could see the overview of the doctor here, and I can see the details of those. I can see the details of the appointments that this doctor have. So you can see those details and so on and so forth. So for your patients, you can click on the patients and you get to see all the clients that you have on the system. So for every client, you can click on that client and see their details as well, just the same way you can see details for your doctors. And you can see the uh, appointments, the number of appointments that is upcoming for this patient. So you can go to appointments to see all the appointments on the system. So right now you can see that this doctor Eniola has an appointment with a patient called Mrs. Kemisola, and so on and so forth. So you can see the status of the appointment and so on, and you can see the time frame for the appointment. So one other thing I didn't mention is As an admin, you can impersonate any of your doctors, meaning you can take charge of their account and respond to appointments on their behalf. So you view your transactions here, payments, you would see all your payment transactions here. Visitation reports. So uh, every time a doctor meets with a patient, now doctors, like I said here, is synonymous to expert and all that. They log it in, so the system logs it for them, so you can view the visitation report. Now, the system allows you to configure many service as different services and configure the service charge so that when a customer wants to book, they click on the service that they are interested in. So you can configure as many services, as many service categories as possible. You can configure as many specializations as possible so that when you are creating your doctors, you can tie them to specializations. So the system allows you to respond to inquiries from the site. That's if people make inquiries. You can see the all your subscribers here. You can control the front, your front CMS here, and all that. You can control everything you see on the home page. You can control it from here, and from the settings, you can set your your clinic schedule. You can set all your availability. Remember the last time I said it is based on the time the availability of your business that the doctors can then set their own schedules out of that. So let's see what it looks like for a customer or patient or client that is just coming to book. So it's a very simple flow. Let me show you what the flow looks like. So basically, this is how it works. So the you are going to you are referred to as the hospital now. You schedule your time of the week as per the opening and closing time. Step two, the patient will do the registration via the landing page, or admin we add it from the back end. So you can actually schedule an appointment from the back end. So the doctor manage their schedule. So meaning doctors have to schedule their own time with respect to the hospital time. So step four, patients will choose the doctor and time slots as per their preferable dates. And then step five, check in and check out or cancel appointment. Doctors will change appointment status to check in or checked out and cancel it. So it's a very simple flow. You can try it out yourself. Using any of the login details, you could either register as a new patient or you use the login details on the proposal page. So let's see. So let's try and book an appointment. Let's see what the flow looks like. So if I'm trying to book an appointment here, very simple. I put in my name, select the doctor that I want, then it populates the service. I select the service that I want, and then I pick a date. So let's say I want to come on Tuesday 30th. So I select payment method. So take note, the moment you pick a date, the availability of that doctor that you selected is going to be displayed. You will see the time frame that the doctor is not available, then you see the time frame that the doctor is available. So if you see the red means the doctor is booked for that time. Blue means the doctor is available. So I'll select my payment method. I can pay with Stripe or PayStack or manually. Then I select the time frame that I want. Then I confirm my booking. So the moment I confirm my booking, a confirmation mail is sent to me, and the doctor also receives a